Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another video for you today. It is Wednesday, and we're going to start pulling what sold for us today.
Good morning, friends. I did want to thank a few people who bought us coffees over the night. Robin bought us 3 coffees, said, "Hey, Chris and Kathy, love your channel. You guys are the sweetest couple. I enjoy watching you both. And one of my favorite parts of your videos is Reese." Speaking of, is he even up here?
He's MIA.
Where is he? Did he get stuck in our room?
I don't know. Reese! He's off doing his own
Oh, there he goes. I don't know what he's
doing his own thing.
Well, he'll be up in 1 minute, but thank you so much, Robin.
Robin, thank you so much for that support. We appreciate it.
Yeah. And
I don't know if he's coming.
He must have found some crumbs or something. Reese, what are you doing? Huh?
Oh, hi.
What are you doing, man? What are you doing? Let's go, boy. You want to lay down? You want to go lay down? Want a treat? Okay.
Reese gets a treat.
Oh, good boy.
Good boy.
Don't bite my finger.
All right.
I also wanted to thank Rachel. Bought us a coffee, said newer to reselling on the side, and I like watching your sales, brands to look out for, and your inventory process. Great to see what brands you pick up, as I'm not as familiar with a lot of the outdoor and athletic brands. Thanks so much. Thank you, Rachel.
Awesome. Rachel, thank you so much for that support. Guys, we appreciate all that support. If you don't know what Buy Me a Coffee is...
Sorry, I'm a little chilly.
I'll just put it on me. If you don't know what Buy Me a Coffee is, it's a way to help support your content creators by buying them a coffee. There is a link down in our description. Sometimes that money goes towards buying us a coffee. Sometimes it goes towards buying equipment for the channel and so on. So if that's something you're interested in, again, there is a link down in the description.
Got some sales to pull over here. Okay, so these Jordan purple basketball shorts. Picked these up last week for $3.99, and I accepted an offer of $20. I definitely think I could have got $25 to $30, but I had just listed them and I got an offer of $20. I had $3.99 into them. I thought that was fair. I didn't want to hold out for another $5 for possibly months. So I will take it. And that was on Posh. So buyer paid shipping. I'm going to ship those in a Tyvek mailer. Alright, something hanging over here. Alright, I sold this Boston Trader Shacket. This came from the bins at Utah. So, if I had my labels, I could tell you what I paid for it.
You just dropped them.
Yeah. Paid $1.51. Average cost of goods that day at their bins, and sold for $25.46 plus shipping. So not too bad.
Very nice.
Even though we're kind of heading out of the fall winter, people are still shopping it. That it weighs just over a pound, so I got a 2-pound label, but I don't know if it'll be, I don't know what I'm packing it in yet, either a large mailer or a box if it can stay under 2 pounds. So all right, box R. So these Nike shorts, Nike ACG shorts. That's the main reason I grabbed these. Nike ACG stuff tends to do pretty well. I did pay $14 for these at Plato's. They actually took a while to sell, but sold for $33.96 plus shipping, so I'm about doubling my money there. Those are over a pound, going at a padded flat rate. Okay, CH. This is a viewer sale. Pair of Carhartt cargo shorts. Hey. So if you watched one of our last videos, we were talking about cargo shorts.
Yeah.
Those are cargo shorts. These are cargo shorts.
Those ACGs, yeah.
Yeah, these ones are Carhartt, going out to Tracy. Sold for $20 plus shipping. So thank you so much.
Awesome. Tracy, thank you so much for that support. We appreciate it.
She's a repeat buyer, so.
Awesome.
Thank you. Those are also going out in a padded flat rate. Yeah.
Cargo short season.
Yep. So this was kind of my obsession over the winter. I feel like now I'm looking out for the cargo shorts, just shorts in general. But when I look through all the shorts pretty much right now, and I'll find a lot of cargos, but also a lot of board shorts, swim trunks, and those all sell well too. This was that New to Me brand. That's what it's called. I don't know how you pronounce it. You see it?
Somebody in the comments said it's like wazzle or something.
Oh, really? I would never have
Yeah,
guessed that.
I think that was. I might be butchering it, but it was weird because it's an O and it sounded like a W. Yeah.
Well, I just listed them yesterday, and they sold within a few hours, so I hadn't even cross-posted them yet, which was nice, but I'm thinking that I might have underpriced them because usually when something sells super fast, it probably could have got a little bit more. I'm still happy with what that sold for, though. I paid $4.55. That was my average cost of goods that day. These were probably actually like $2 at the store I bought them at, but sold for $21.21 plus shipping.
Okay.
That's just because I had a sale running. But yeah, comps on those were, I feel like, 25 to 30 plus ship. So
Yeah, I think it might be a French name.
yeah, it says Seattle, Washington on it too. I don't know if that's like where they make them or.
Okay, maybe I'm wrong.
I don't know. But yeah, those were a good. I would definitely buy those again if I saw them. That was the first time I ever saw them. Early shirt. There we go. So that kind of like a performance shirt. Had several. I think this is the last one. Paid 10, sold for 21.21 plus ship. Not huge margin, but I had a bunch of them, so
Yeah.
it was worth it for me. All right, BZ. Very glad to see this item sell. Just because it's been listed a while. I don't know, man. I probably should stop picking up these. It's MBT, so kind of like a shape up, but a different brand. These were a women's 5, so I understand why those took a while to sell. But just every time I have this brand, even if it's like a men's really good size or something, it takes a while to sell. And I don't really like that, so even if it sells for a lot, I'd rather just sell several things faster.
Yeah.
So paid $6.50, finally sold for $21.21 plus shipping. So yeah. At a flat rate. Okay, sold a hat. I listed a bunch of hats recently. This is the one that sold so far. Gotta light roll it a little, but it's outdoor research. Just kind of like a cool duckbill fleece hat. Paid $5.99, sold for $24 plus ship. I just listed it yesterday, so again, maybe could have got more, but happy to see that go fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that something you want to pack in a box, or
No,
is
so
it 'cause it's
normally
more
I
soft?
would, but because it like hats, like
the
you want to
form.
keep their form. But this is completely a floppy hat, anyways.
Yeah.
And it only weighs like 2 ounces, so I only printed a 4-ounce label, so it's gonna go in a poly mailer.
Okay.
So yeah. Speaking of
I put them on that.
rude, I was gonna use those today, but I forgot.
Hey, I was asked to clear the table, so I did.
Yeah, these
Except
are
for that
the
thing.
these are the new shipping hit mailers. Yeah, I really like this one actually in person. So I ordered my 2 favorites just because you obviously see me have plenty right now. These are like my favorite. I love those.
Yeah.
Got this floral. They're all really pretty. I wanted them all, but I'm probably gonna go back and order these 2 now. But yeah, if you are in need of poly mailers, we do have a coupon link for 15% off. It's just Ginger15, and then it's just shippinghip.com, and they ship for free. So yeah.
Sweet.
Let's see if this, nope. I was like, maybe this last thing I can ship in one, but no. All right, that's right over here. Not this. This that took me forever to list, but also sold in a day once I got it listed. This I found at the bins, which is kind of funny. I think I found this in the Denver bins. But yeah, just a little
It's a very
ceramic
cool set, yeah.
bowl for mixing. Got some Christmas cookie cutters. So this I typed in my cost of goods because they weigh the dishes a little bit differently. It's actually
Right.
cheaper, but this is heavy, so it still came out to $2.99. But it sold for $23 plus shipping, so still a really good deal.
Yeah.
And it's going UPS, so I'll have to put it in a brown box, pack it up really good.
Yeah.
And yeah, list your stuff. Like this is all stuff I've been listing this, not all, but like that,
Yeah.
that hat. I mean, those shorts and stuff. whatever that WO brand is. Those, it didn't take me that long to list, but stuff sells when you list it, guys. So.
For sure. So we're gonna get this stuff packed up. We'll go find a
Box.
hopefully a good sized box for that. I don't know. I'm kind of thinking about what boxes we have. Oh yeah, we got new ones. Never mind. Yeah, yeah, we got those ones from eBay.
They're actually like really, really big, and
yeah, I'm gonna have to cut it down a little bit because you don't want something that's big and heavy like this bouncing around inside the box. So we're gonna try to pack it as tightly as we can.
Did I give it enough? Okay, it is. This is a 9-pound label. This
Okay.
is like almost 5 by itself. So.
Okay.
But yeah, it should fit in here with some bubble wrap and packing paper, which we got there, which we need to reorder some more packing
Yeah.
paper.
Yeah, so we'll pack it up pretty well with the packing material, and we'll pack everything else up, and then we'll check back in a little bit.
Yeah.
Guys, got everything all packed up, ready to go. We did have one offer come in as we were packing up.
Yep, and I accepted. So AT. Pair of kids Carhartt camo overalls. Bought at Goodwill for $2.99. Accepted a $20 offer on those. So not too bad. I'm gonna go in a tie back. And I love how easy Poshmark is.
Yeah. You want to just button it up real quick?
Button it up.
Button up the last package.
I feel like
What we do is we do have these thank you stickers. Stick it on the clear cellophane bag.
label on first.
Yep, it's easier to put the label on the packaging first, unless it's a box. Obviously, you have to tape up the box.
Alright. And then these particular envelopes, we always just put a little extra on because they don't necessarily stay still very
Yeah,
well.
that
So-
self-sealer sticker thing doesn't always work right. So we just put a little tape. Sometimes you can use those stickers.
Couple of these on the
Yeah.
edges. Yeah, just depends on how much slack you got.
Yeah, just to keep it nice and secure. That's how easy that is. And yeah, we'll be taking this stuff off to the post office. It is a little bit earlier. It's about 1 o'clock. Kathy did want to go out and source a little bit. And the rest of the evening, once she gets back, is going to be super busy. We've got Taekwondo tonight. And I'm sure as many of you parents know, like as soon as the kids come home from school, the time just goes like that. So that's going to be it for today's video. A little bit shorter, but that's what sold for us today. Guys, thank you so much for watching. And thanks for all the support today. We do greatly appreciate that. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.